Literider packs a punch. Oh, she's passing this with flying colors. Give me a 33, 33.3, 34. Is the Kingbull Literider right here worth your hard-earned money? Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike. We are back with another electric bike review. This time it is from Kingbull, and it is an amazingly good-looking bike. Like we always do, we're going to unbox it, put it together, take it for a spin, then we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. Here is this beautiful red beauty all put together. She's gorgeous, isn't she? Now, look at all the stuff that you get included in the box, okay? You have some bungee cords right here. You have a bike lock. This is a bike pump. You get 2 rear view mirrors. You get your toolkit and your owner's manual. You get this really cool wrench that does almost everything you need it to do. I like that a lot. You get a cell phone holder, and you get your battery charger, which is really, really nice. As far as putting it all together, I thought it was going to be super easy. Well, it really was. I thought it was just going to be the headlight and the fender that I would have to really assemble, but I had to put on the LCD screen and the switch right here. This is your bell. I'm going to take that off because it just bothers me, so I'm going to remove the bell right there. But let's talk about the Kingbull Literider. All right, it's a 750 watt motor, 1300 watts peak power. You get a 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery that's hidden inside the frame right there. A 50-mile range, a top speed of 28 miles per hour. This motor gives you 80 Newton meters of torque, which is more than a lot of bikes that you get. It's a 400-pound capacity. These are 20-inch by 4-inch tires right here. There is USB charging, so if you do decide to mount your cell phone, you can charge it. Yes, while you're riding your bike. There is a cadence sensor right over here. You have hydraulic brakes, which are really, really nice. The bike itself weighs 73 pounds, and there is a Shimano 7-speed gear system right here. Okay, I get this on almost every bike that I receive. Let's go ahead and power this thing up and just see what happens. Sometimes on the bike, you have to turn the key. I think maybe that's what we have to do right here too. Let's just kind of see. Maybe this is an on and off switch. That's your charging point. What is this? Oh, here's your on and off right there. You see the little button? We'll flip that up to on. Then we'll give it some power, and she comes to life. You've got your energy bar, your speed. It comes preset to miles per hour, your distance, and your passenger assist. For this bike, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels of pedal assist. It's pedal assist. I keep saying passenger assist. Pedal assist. But this, I think it's stunning. And the fact that it's a step-through foldable bike means it is so easy to get on and off, and I love it. It's a beautiful morning for a big red bike. Yes, I am starting the day off right. Okay, so we're going to take the Kingbull Literider out on the road. How's your position there? Can you see everything that's going on? I will say that this, I don't know what I think about this. I need to lock this down a little more. But it seems to be okay. Well, if we crash and die, someone tell my family that I loved them. Anyway, we have 5. That is just so weird. Okay, 5 pedal assists. We start out in 3. I like this setup for the LCD display. Okay, you've got your energy bar, miles per hour, passenger assist, your odometer, everything else that you need, which is really, really cool. And you have it right under here. You got a little port to charge your phone if you want to do that. Okay, so we are off. Oh, okay. Oh, ah, here we go. Now this is a cadence sensor powering the 750 watt motor, peak of 1300 watts, I believe. And I'm going 18 miles an hour. Let's switch the gears. There we go. Now with the cadence sensor, you got to be careful because when you're turning these corners, it'll kick on. See, it kicks on. We are in 7th gear. I guess I should get rid of the plastic on this thing too. There we go. That front brake seems to be a little bit loud. Yeah, that front brake is very loud. Okay, let's go back up. We'll have to adjust it. Okay, we're back. We have the brake fixed. Basically, on these hydraulic brakes, if you get a sound, what you can do is you loosen them up. So there's a point here and a point right here where it kind of lets this move a little bit. Then you squeeze the handle so the brake centers itself. And while you hold the handle, the brake handle, you tighten these back up. And then you're going to have a nice silent brake. Okay? So that's what I've done. Hopefully, it'll work. Yeah, I can tell it's already better. Now we're ready for the day. Yep, this is gonna be, oh, it's much quieter. Okay, this is the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, these cadence sensors, woo, they will take off on you. 17, 18 miles an hour, 80 Newton meters of torque, which is really nice. Now we only have the front suspension. There's nothing under my seat. So we're gonna give it a test as we go down this really, really terrible road, okay? And I'll show you how the bike kind of responds. I'll give you the side view. We just let the bike kind of go down as fast as it feels like it wants to go down. This is 19, 20. This is the worst part right here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, yeah, okay. As I keep telling everybody, if you can afford a dual suspension, or if you can find a dual suspension bike, buy it. If you just have the front forks, the back half of you, if you know what I'm talking about, your rear end is not going to be really happy with you. Okay. So now, that test is complete. Let's go up torque hill. Once again, 80 Newton meters of torque, 15 amp hour battery, 750 watt motor. Anything above 12 is good, and we're cruising. We're cruising at 18. Now we're going to slow down. 17.9, 17.7, 16, 16.4. Oh, she's passing this with flying colors. She likes to go. She does like to go. This is 16.8 right here. Yeah, anything above 12 is a passing grade. She gets an A+ on this one. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Good job. This is 20 miles an hour again. We'll get down here and we'll let's go down in pedal assist. I want to try these shifts. Okay, here we go. 6, 5, 4. Yeah, this is good. These all shift the same. They almost all bikes have this Shimano, excuse me, 7-speed sensor. All right, now we'll go back up to pedal. It says 5, full throttle down the hill, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30.6, 31, 32. Give me a 33, 33.3, 34. Oh my goodness. So that was 34 point something. Woo! Yes, sir. Good job. Literider packs a punch. Now the motor is humming a little bit. The tires are very, very quiet. Okay. Yeah, this is one of those bikes you sit in, not really on, which I prefer. We'll come down here, we'll get into another neighborhood. The brakes are nice now that I've adjusted the front ones. This is nice. The only thing, if I have to be picky, and I do because I'm a review guy, see how the handlebar kind of moves right here? And it needs something right here to prevent it from moving up here, because what's holding it is this part, but the stem extends all the way down into here, so I can make it do that. They need a little plastic ring or make something a little tighter right down here. As far as maneuverability, oh yeah. Here we go. This bike likes to go. 23, 24. Yeah, nice. We can shift down. Here we go. Woo! I will say that the saddle, I prefer a larger saddle that's a little more cushy. This one has maybe a ½ inch of foam, and then the hard seat is underneath it. And I'm right at like 195. That's poundage. And I can feel the hard part of the saddle under that foam. Give me a big wide saddle for my big wide bootay. Okay, let's just do some pedaling right here. I like the placement of the handlebars. I like that it kind of goes down right here. This is nice. Everything is at your fingertips. Now this cadence sensor, as long as I'm moving my feet, it's going to keep powering the bike. If I stop, see how it stops? There we go. And then once I get the cadence going, it'll kick on again. Yeah. And it doesn't correspond to the speed. Like I'm pedaling my feet very, very slow, and I'm going almost 30 miles an hour. Now I am going 30 miles an hour, and I'm pedaling like I'm going 5. So this would be great if you want something to exercise your hips or your legs, your joints, because you can still move them. You get the full movement, and you're not doing a whole lot of pushing. And then if I stop, see, after about 2 seconds, it stops. It's a good little motor. It is loud though. And this color, the red and the black, that looks mean. It really does. It comes in several different colors. You can get white, red, black, and green. We'll put them up there on the screen for you. And because it's a step through, it will fit riders from 5'1", all the way up to 6'5". The best thing I think about this is you get twice the warranty. That cadence sensor is getting me right here. You get a 2-year warranty on this thing, which is fantastic. And as far as price, well, they've got it marked down. Right now, the regular price is $16.99. They have it marked down to $999, which I think is a pretty good deal, okay? Just to show you how small this becomes, I like it. I like it a lot. So we'll put the pedals kind of this way. We will fold this down right here. There's a little plastic clip you slide out. This pops out and this slides down like this. There's another little clip on this side. You pop it open and the whole bike folds down and it sits right here on this peg. So what I usually do is pop that up, hold the handle right here, and then look how nice. And even the pedals will fold up for you. So there's a lot of maneuverability right here. Look at that. Look how small this is. You can put this in your trunk and take your bike anywhere that you want to go. Yep, it is time to grade the Literider. Once again, fit, form, and function. Fit, how it came out of the box. Not too difficult. For the first time I had to attach the LCD screen and the power thing. Not a big deal. When you insert this, there is a little part that is almost flat, and that kind of guides you into the stem right here, which is great. But once again, if you look closely, see how this kind of wobbles back and forth? Yeah, that kind of bothers me. Other than that though, it was packed beautifully. It was so well wrapped up. It was virtually unscathed. I mean, there's no scratches, there's nothing on this beautiful red paint. It all survived in the box perfectly. So we're going to give it an A for fit. Form, the way the bike looks, well, red paint, which is fantastic. The black just complements it right here. You've got a gigantic headlight, which is right here. I love this thing. You've got these really great spokes on the tires. You have the CST BFT wheels right here. Once again, 20-inch tires. I love this. It looks almost like a car rim to me. I think it's a gorgeous bike. So we're going to give it an A for form. Function, how the bike performed, what it felt like. I wish this was softer. It is a little softer back here, but it was just right up here. There's not a whole lot of padding, okay? So this was a little hard to sit on. The way this kind of moves, see how that is? I don't like that at all. The fact that it folds up is fantastic, but this right here and the seat is going to make us give this a B for function. There's power, there is power there, which is fantastic. 80 Newton meters of torque from a very nice motor. I just wish it was a little more comfortable. You have these nice front forks. There's nothing in the back right here to give you a smoother ride. Okay, overall, we're gonna give the bike a B, and at $999, I think it's a great buy. If you're interested in this, we're gonna have more information in the description box below, so please check it out. And a big thank you to Kingbull for sending me the Literider. I keep wanting to say Nightrider. The Literider, because I love the bike. It's very nice. No big problems other than this and this. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. We're back with another bike review, and of course, we're continuing to work on those cars. We'll see you again very soon, okay? Bye-bye.